good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about this free Kontakt library that Native Instruments just released as a part of their 25th year anniversary, okay? It's called 25 and you can get it for free up until December 31st. So the link will be in the description if you're trying to go check that out. We're just going to run through some of the sounds. Nothing too crazy of a video. I just kind of wanted to showcase it a little bit and let y'all know that you can get this for free on Kontakt now. So definitely go check that out. All right, so this is what it looks like. We're just gonna run through some of the sounds here. So this is the first sound that pops up. See, this is my first time opening it. It looks like you can go into the sound. You can, just like a normal synthesizer, you can mess with. It's got two sections that you can actually combine different things. So kind of very similar to some of their other libraries. We got a lot of sounds in here. But when you go into sound, you can actually mess with either layer or you can link them together, it seems like. So that's pretty cool. Got a sequencer. It's also got effects and stuff. So yeah, this is a really cool little library that they got going on here. So let's just move through some of the other sounds. That one right there, I feel like I could make a crazy trap or drill beat with that. That's a cool sound. They got some dope sounds here. We'll just play a few more. That's sick. You can actually go in here, like I said, and just put stuff together and make your own kind of sound. So if we just do this eyelid and then we layer that with, I don't know, bright lights, what does that sound like? Deep Throat, that's an interesting name. Yeah, I mean, just kind of showing it off. It's got some cool sounds to it. I would go check that out if you're interested in this. You can mess with it. That's pretty much all this video was just kind of show this, let y'all know that this is out. Go check that out. If you want more stuff like this, where, you know, we kind of talk about free stuff or new effects or plugins that are out in the market, let me know and we can definitely start doing that. But yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.